If you want to learn how we can convert the prepayments to expenses, this video is for you. We will see and learn the most accurate method of doing this. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see how you can convert the rent expense against advance rent, or how we can book it against the advance rent. So this transaction says that rent expense for January adjusted from advance rent account for an amount of 5,000. So in this assignment, we have seen in the starting, if we scroll up, we can see that we have paid the rent in advance for 6 months by giving cash 5,000 per month. So at that time, we have paid 30,000 as of 4th of January. And now the month is complete. So only that portion of 1 month should be converted to an expense from the prepayments. So this is the whole scenario. Now how will we do this? Because at the time of entry, this entry is now non-cash transaction. We are not paying anything in cash from here. So the ideal area is a journal entry, and it's non-trading and non-cash. There are two conditions for journal entry. This is not a hard and fast rule, but it's preferred. And that is, anything which is entered from journal entry should be non-cash and non-trading. So to make the adjustment, I'll go to the company and click on make journal entries. And I'll put the date here. It's 31st of January 2024. And entry is rent expense debit 5,000. I can just directly copy and paste this transaction. And prepaid rent is credit. So prepayments, I'll enter it here and we are done. Just save and new, or in fact we can save and close because it's already a journal entry, so we don't need to check anything. Now as we go to the previous entry, it's showing us this entry before the earlier one. That's because it might have been entered on the wrong date. So if anything like this happens, just change it to date. And this date mistake happens because of the wrong date format that you have in Windows. So for example, you are considering the entries as date first, then month, then year, but the date format in Windows is month first, date, and then year. So it will make some mistakes. So you can correct it this way. So guys, this is how you can convert the rent expense from the prepayments in QuickBooks.